Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How Logical. In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to log in to your WhatsApp application using your phone number. First of all, install the WhatsApp application by going into your Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. Once you find the application, tap on the Install button. And then, when the installation is complete, go ahead and tap on the Open button. Now the WhatsApp application will launch. Tap on Agree and Continue, and you will be asked to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, tap on the Next button. Now confirm or edit your number by tapping on OK or Edit. After confirming your number, you will be asked to enter a verification code. Type in your verification code, and then tap on the Continue button from the next page. Now go ahead and allow the application permission into your contact and your storage. Go ahead and type in your name and enter a profile picture if you wish to. Now tap on Next and you will be logged in to your WhatsApp application. So that's how easy it is to log in to the WhatsApp application using your phone number. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.